Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to this BONK update today. And yeah, BONK is, what is it doing, right? What we're going to talk about. I think there's one pattern that I forgot to mention about BONK, right? Your new stop loss is now not 951. If BONK is not really going to come down, I don't really think they have any intention to drop BONK for the retest all the way to 1062. I could be wrong. Do watch the update about Bitcoin as well. Because there's something important. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and why 10 months ago I really thought Bitcoin is moving to $69,000, right? And I gave a 10-12 minutes update. I just want you to watch that video so that you may understand that this was expected a long time ago. Even though 69 is my expectation, 100k is my expectation, I did really expect somewhere in between there could be this correction, in an uptrend. It's pretty weird we're not having any correction right now, but that's still okay. The thing is, the pattern I want to show you is BONK broke out of this place, and it seems like this was support and resistance pretty much, right? So you have a double bottom, right? So this is first bottom, that is the second bottom, and you did something where you went up like this, you went up like this, and then you went up, you came down for the retest. This is pretty much the retest right there. So I think you have a new stop here at 1161. If you take out 1161 and close below it, I think that's when you can visit 1007 to retest that trend line, right? So I think BONK, by default, by the way, it should actually go. If everything goes well, I think BONK is meant to move up to 2650. This is the technical target that I do expect out of this descending triangle. You broke up, you should go back to where the triangle is. That's the technical target. And then you have this top to bottom double bottom here, and you have a technical target up to 1553 momentarily. This is where you may push up for BONK, and it's going to be a 15% further move to the upside. Now, even better is if you end up breaking above here and you come for another retest and then continue up like this, we may actually see this thing climbing all the way back to 26105, break the all-time high. You have another, who knows where you go. So be careful. I've already told you the level, and that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.